Hey everyone, TrainGuy1969, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at this Walthers F40PH dummy locomotive that is in the Via Rail livery. This particular paint scheme is from the 1980s or into the early 1990s, just prior to Via Rail converting all of their locomotives over to the Renaissance theme. It's not the most detailed of locomotives, as you can see. There's no independently applied grab irons, but there is spots where you can drill in once you buy a detail kit and add a little bit of extra detail to it. Despite that, it is a beautiful locomotive. Again, this was a actual motorized unit at one point, but the previous owner took the motor out and converted it to a dummy locomotive. I really like having a couple dummy locomotives in my consists, because no matter whether I'm running a DCC setup or a DC setup, I can always have a couple of engines on the train. So we're going to take this locomotive over to the track. We're going to get it lashed up to another Walthers locomotive. It is a Renaissance locomotive, F40PH. I featured it in a previous video. And we have it lashed up to a number of Via Rail passenger cars, including a new domed observation car that I picked up just a few weeks ago. So we'll be right back and we'll run it around the track. And we're back and we have our Walthers F40PH in the Renaissance scheme lashed up to our other F40PH locomotive. And we have a number of passenger cars attached, all Walthers products as well. So we'll get her started up and hopefully don't run into any issues. Beautiful looking consist. As I said, all the passenger coaches are Walthers with the exception of the end observation lounge. That particular one is from Con-Cor. It's running beautifully. And we'll bring it back in. Start slowing it down. And there again is the dummy locomotive. Beautiful, beautiful consist. Would love to get one of the Rapido F40PHs with the modernized version of this locomotive. I saw one on eBay just the other day, but I think it went for almost $400 used. They're so difficult to find. Put in a request to see if Rapido would re-release that particular model. They said maybe sometime in the future, but I'm not going to hold my breath on that one. But based on how much people are willing to spend on them, they're obviously very popular. So we're going to get it up and running one more time. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you have yourselves a great rest of your day. Take care.